Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Sama ka? Flying kiss mo na, Mama.
Bye, Mama.
Come ka na dito, Kaden. Come na. Sama na yun.
Bye po, Mami.
Come na, Kaden. Bye-bye mo na dito siya. Bye.
Wala kang baby, ha?
Ay, wala kang baby. Get your shoes.
Wala kang baby.
Get shoes. Kuha kang shoes mo. Dali, kunin mo yung shoes mo. Shoes, te. Sa umbrella. Shoes ka na. Nakatulog sa bahay. Shoes ka na. Na? I don't know.
Asan si Kaden, Ate Julie? Kaden? Kaden? Girl, do you wanna come?
No.
Why?
It's gonna take
What?
a long
Look at me.
time.
Look at me. Why?
It's gonna take a long time.
But why?
Yeah, because I don't wanna wait for so long.
But why? Yung panty mo, nakita ko.
Because I don't wanna go anymore outside.
Why?
Because it's gonna take a long time driving there.
So what?
I want to just stay here.
But I wanna be with you. Don't you wanna be with me?
I just wanna stay
Don't
here.
you love me?
But
Don't you love me, girl?
yeah, but
You don't love me?
I do, but I don't wanna.
But why are you not saying it? Do you love me? Look at me.
I do.
Then why are you not saying it? Do you love me?
Yeah.
Is it yeah? Do you love me?
Yeah, but
What should you say?
I love you.
But you're not looking at me. Maybe you don't love me. Do you love me?
I don't want to be in camera.
You say I love you to me.
I love you. I don't want to be on camera. Scum, 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 scum.
Hello. Color ka? Hi ka daw. Asan daw crayon mo? Asan? Hi. Come. Good morning. Wala ka pants. Laki ng mata mo, no? Say hi ka. Put mo sa sink yung dede mo. Put outside. Bye. No! No! Anong color yan? Anong color? Anong color? Tingnan ko. What color?
Pink.
Ano?
Maybe.
What color?
Pink.
Pink. I'll get ka another one. Anong color nito? Anong color? Kaden, what color? What color ito? Ito. Ito.
Pink.
Ito. What? What color ito? Look mo, look.
Blue.
Blue. Kaden, throw outside. Throw mo. Stand up. Throw. Go. Throw outside. Throw ko. Galing. Oh, wash yung hand mo, okay? Okay, wash.
When first we did the morning prayer, and then there were like people dancing and then doing the drums.
Sure, you're not going to do the club yet?
Not yet. We're gonna choose our club on Friday. There's like sports club with badminton, basketball, like volleyball, and
You don't want to join that?
I might do badminton or art.
Ah, yeah, you can do badminton. How about another club?
Like the other clubs. But this time the math, it's not called Math Wizards, it's called Math Rangers.
So, what do you think you're going to join?
I might join badminton or arts. Those are my two
Arts. Okay. You're not going to do cooking?
No, because at the end of the, there's still going to be a chance of PLE. Because we're going to...
You're not going to sing?
No, I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay. So, what else did you do?
And that's it. They just like told us what kind of clubs they were, and then yeah. And
How
then
about for the class officers?
oh, they just said that because that's why we introduced ourselves so that they can see who can be like the class officers, and then our teacher said who like if you want to be the class officer, raise your hand. I mean, I want to be one, just not like the president or something.
So, what do you wish for?
Like secretary, and then like until the peacemaker. I don't want to be like the.
But I'm the president always. Don't you want to be a president?
No,
Why, it's nice.
I don't want to be it. So I just want to be like this secretary until the peacemaker.
Okay.
Most of the peacemakers are like they're because when you're the president, you have to do everything. And
Of course, you need to be responsible. That's why.
Yeah, but I mean it would be fun doing the other things.
So, you want to be a secretary. That's fine.
Or like the others. Because mostly when our teachers are doing it, they ask the secretary to write down little things or something.
Just like this, okay? So we'll take this out. I'll take out. Then yung skin, so meron siyang, habang hinihintay mo siya, tutulong yung oil niya. And then part of the skin, follow.
And down, very up and down na. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh, straight line. Ikaw. Tignan mo, nag-red na yung eyes mo. Ay.
Count. 1. 2.
No.
No. Say 1.
No.
Oh, put mo na. Put mo na yung 1. One.
No.
Oh, put mo na. 1. Ah, ano next? 2. 2.
No.
No. 3. Next. Next. 4. 9. 1. Oh, 9. 1. What color? 9. What color ito? What color? Color muna. Red. Ay, ito. Anong color ito? Anong color ito? Ito, anong color? Color? What color? Black.
You have to guess whatever food I like.
Oh.
Only you can get 5 stuff. I'll give you a clue. It starts with an S.
It's not an. It starts with letter
Letter S.
strawberry.
Okay, that's your final answer. No,
No, it's not.
another choice.
Strawberry juice.
It's a candy.
Skittles.
Yeah, you have to get those, but you don't know what's my favorite.
Oh, what else? Ligo na ikaw?
Whoa, now it definitely looks like a car. Look at this. So we're just missing the last piece, which is our rubber band. We can go. Alright. So to wrap the rubber band around, we need a little piece of wood on our back axle. Alright.
What happened? Ano nangyari? Poop, saan? Saan? Check ko, check. Check ko. Turn around. Check ko. Akin na. Yeah, kasi yan. Ano yan? Ha? Ano yan? Saan? Saan yan? Poop ka. One. Ikaw. One. Say hi. Ano nangyari? Tinapon mo yung water ni Ate Julie. Halika na. Karat ka na naman. Halika na. Huwag mo tinapon yung water. You say sorry. Water. Tapon mo na.
Boy ka. Ay, sorry.
Hi.
One cellphone.
Ate Julie, tara na. Tara na. Tara na, tara na. Bye-bye na, Ate Julie. Bye-bye, Ate Julie. Bye-bye. Baba ka na, baba mo na.
Bye-bye.
Oh, baba ka na, baba na, baba na. Baba na. Ah, baba na. Baba na ikaw. Baba na ikaw. Baba na ikaw. Alis na si Ate Julie.
makan.
Bye-bye, Ate Julie.
Si Mama yung binatay.
Bye-bye, Ate Julie.
Bye-bye daw.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw ang bye-bye. Bye-bye na ikaw.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Hoy, unggoy ka ba? Ka nasa taas.
Ba't ka nag-go up? Napakaligot mo. No, ha? Tama ako eh.
Bola dito kay number 11. That pass to jersey number 4. 15 number 26. Fulham James. Awesome rebound and Lewis in the head. 10 seconds.
Haalis ka na? Patingin nga ng outfit mo. Patingin. Ay, napaka-mayor naman yan. Asan na bag mo? Get ka na ng mask? Ha? Mayor ka? Mayor? Bye! 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 Say bye-bye to Dada. Go. Trash can. Throw. Okay, then throw. Okay, throw. Say hi. I'll call Mimi.
Mimi.
Say Tai Tai.
Daddy.
Say Xiao Xiao.
Sister.
Say Mamila. Say Dadilo.
Sister.
Say Sevi. Sevi. O say ate. Call mo daw si To. Say Julie. Say Pink. Say Black. Say Blue. Say Yellow. Say White. Say Purple. Who's Pogi? Asan si Boy Boy? Oh, call Boy Boy. Hey? Call mo daw si Boy Boy. P. Yeah. Say Poop. Anong gusto mong watch? Ha? Say bye. Flying kiss mo na. Say good night. Gutom kayo? Gutom? Napagod kayo sa school?
I got tired of the noise.
Really? You're not noisy? Quiet ka lang? Are you listening? You eat very well. Then you wash your hands.